David Ienna from Fairmax Law. Today I want to talk about an important topic that many people worry about: life after bankruptcy. If you're considering bankruptcy or have recently filed, you might be wondering, what happens next? Let's explore how you can rebuild your financial future. Filing for bankruptcy is not the end. It's a new beginning. The first step after bankruptcy is to understand that you're starting fresh. This clean slate gives you the opportunity to rebuild your finances without the burden of overwhelming debt. Creating a realistic budget is crucial. Track your income and expenses, prioritize essential costs like housing and utilities, and make sure you're setting aside money for savings. A well-planned budget helps you stay on top of your finances and avoid falling back into debt. Next, focus on rebuilding your credit. Obtain a secured credit card, which requires a cash deposit that serves as your credit limit. Use it responsibly by making small purchases and paying off the balance in full each month. This shows lenders that you can manage credit wisely. Consider seeking financial counseling. A certified financial advisor can help you develop strategies to manage your money effectively and provide valuable tips on saving and investing for the future. Remember, life after bankruptcy is about making smart financial decisions. With time, patience, and discipline, you can rebuild your credit and achieve your financial goals. Many people who file for bankruptcy go on to buy homes, start businesses, and secure their financial futures. At Fairmax Law, we're here to support you every step of the way. If you have questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Let's work together to build a brighter financial future.